This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school's student information system on your mobile device. First, locate and download the official SIS application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. Once installed, open the app and enter your unique student or parent login credentials to access your personalized dashboard. This initial setup takes less than 2 minutes. Once logged in, navigating your academic progress is straightforward. Tap the Grades or Academic Progress tab, usually on the main menu. Here, view all current scores and overall averages. For specific assignments, tap the entry to see details like due dates and teacher feedback. Enable push notifications for instant alerts on new grades or assignments, helping you stay updated, often within 30 seconds of an update. The mobile SIS also streamlines communication and attendance tracking. You can send messages directly to your teachers or school administrators through the in-app messaging system, ensuring quick and secure communication. Additionally, easily check your attendance records, noting any absences or tardies for the current term, typically updated within 24 hours. The app's notification center is your go-to for important school announcements, keeping you informed about events or schedule changes. To enhance your experience, explore customization options within the app settings. Adjust notification preferences, change display themes, or set reminders for important tasks. If you encounter issues, the built-in help section, or FAQ, provides quick answers to common questions, often covering over 90% of user inquiries. For specific technical support, the app usually offers a direct contact option to reach your school's IT department, ensuring you get assistance when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.